Hi, I'm Angela and I'm going to show you how to make your very own twist and reveal pretty poinsettia. You see I've got some sheets here, these gorgeous inky backgrounds you'll find on our new DVD-ROM, and there's some lovely greetings too. I'm going to be using one of those. Pop those to one side. You can see here I've used this is the main die you'll need to cut your poinsettias. And to make the base, I've die cut it here. I wanted the lighter end of these inky effects, and then I've used the lacy overlay. I wanted sort of darker at the base and lighter, so I've arranged them like this. And I'm going to show you how to use your overlays to make your poinsettias really, really pretty. This is the die cut base. You'll notice there are scored lines, and those are what you're going to need to fold to make it twist and close. To start off with, I always set the long diagonal lines. You'll find a easy to follow steps on the packaging, and I'm folding these away from me to make mountain folds. You can see they sort of stand up. That's a mountain fold. And then I'm going to go round the outside now. The inner shape's a pentagon, so it's only 5 that you need to do. There we go. And then the inner ones. As you've been folding, these start to fold in anyway because the scoring is quite handy. Lovely. And now these are the overlays, and here's the die again. So it's very lacy, very pretty. There's a hint of Christmas, but not too much, so you can use it for all year round crafting. I find it quicker to apply. I'm using tacky PVA glue, and I like to apply that to each of the 5 overlays and then just attach them in one go. I just find it saves time. This solid bit, this is the part that you want to attach the glue to. And you'll notice this shape lines up beautifully with the poinsettia. Nice thing about tacky PVA, it gives you there's an adjustment time. There we go, I'll just adjust that before it dries. There are 2 different stamens to choose from. They look a bit funny. Katie and I call these the slugs, fancy slug and the normal one. And this is the one I'm going to use today. I've die cut these from a different inky pattern paper from the DVD-ROM. And again, I'm just going to apply tacky PVA glue to the backs. I'm putting a tiny little bit just at the end, and then just this triangle section. And you'll find the triangle lines up perfectly over the overlays as well. You don't have to use these. You could make the poinsettias plain, and you don't have to use the overlays, but it just gives you choice. Quite nice to have a contrasting colour for the stamens. And the last one. It comes together quite quickly. Now just pick that sheet again with the greetings. This die comes with the set, and you'll notice it's really easy to position over for die cutting. I put a couple. I'm going to use, I might go with this one actually. I'm going to pinch the edges of it. It creates a sort of basket. And then what you want to do is hold the outside and push the opposite sides together, and you'll see, I'll try and do it slowly, you'll see it comes together and the petals overlap and just twist. And then you just push down the centre. It goes flat. I'll show you the back. That's what it looks like closed. It's nice because it's flat. It goes flat for posting as well. This is the brad and the pentagon with the hole, and this is what you need to make it spin. It doesn't have to spin, you can stick them directly to your card. I've been using them just to make really lovely 3D flowers for card designs. I'll show you how to make a spinning poinsettia anyway. I'm using high-tack double-sided tape, and I've just attached that to the arms of the brad. And this is the bit that attaches to the back of your poinsettia, like this. I'm going to do the same just around the outer edges of the pentagon. Try not to go too close to this circle here, the brad, because you want that to spin freely. It's also why I try not to use glue, because you don't want the glue to seep under it and jam everything up. I've got a card like I've made here. This is really pretty. This is the corner die that comes with the Pretty Poinsettia die set. So handy. Use it all the time. Pretty details. I'm going to attach that slightly off the edge. I quite like it when it goes off the edge. And these lovely berry sprigs I've cut using this die, and I've just inked up the edges and the berries a little bit. I'm going to use a tiny bit of spray mount. You can use PVA glue if you have more time. A paintbrush and a bit of glue would work just as well. So that was just a quick blast of spray mount. I'm going to position those up there. That's quite nice. There we go. There you are, a very special Christmas card. I hope you enjoyed watching this demo. Please stop by again.